Enhance curb appeal. A well-maintained exterior creates trust and attracts buyers from the moment they arrive. Declutter and depersonalize. Remove personal items to allow buyers to imagine themselves in the space.